Hey everybody, Steve here. In this video I want to talk to you about a very scary, unnerving thing. What do you do when you brick your Taranis? Like if you're installing firmware and something happens, like the computer crashes in the middle and it won't power on and won't go into bootloader mode and absolutely nothing works at all. It's terrifying. So let's fix it. First thing we want to do is pull the battery. Alright, the battery is pulled. And I do not know I took like this. Alright, battery's pulled. So, let's see what happens when we take our little USB. I don't know what USB this one is. I forget what they're called. But anyhow, let's plug this guy back in. Like so. And let's take the USB and plug him in. Like so. You can hear the radio kind of click a little bit. So, all right. So now you can't do this. Doing that doesn't really seem to do anything either. So what I want to do, I go to File. I'm gonna go to Download 239. Check for updates. It's the latest. Download firmware. It's already there, but I'll go ahead and hit save for the purposes of the video. Like so. Get out of here. Now next thing I want to do is go to read write firmware to the radio, and it's going to do all that stuff, and then I'm going to say write to TX. And downloaded successfully. Let's go ahead and close, like so. Switch the camera back to here. And I can pull this out. And flip them back over. I don't know why I put the cover on. That was kind of stupid. Pop the battery back in, and before we do that, let's just go like this.
Welcome to OpenTX.
Now,
Warning.
you can breathe again. Breathe. You're back in business. And that is how to fix a bricked Taranis. You're good to go. Everything's back to normal. All set. Well, I'm Steve, and I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please like, comment, subscribe, share, all that kind of stuff. Take a deep breath and stick around because I got a whole bunch of more videos coming out.